family, how you doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walkthrough and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and today marks the end of the 28th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge. Actually, I think it's the 29th, probably, losing track of days. So completion of 4 weeks. So this is the 5th week. So a long way to go, but that's almost like a month done. So feeling really great and excited about it. So today is the walk day, so I'm doing brisk walk. Yesterday was the running day, so I did a slow running. So I'm going to do this alternatively, and then not so soon, but maybe like another 2 weeks down the line or so, I'll come to like a daily blend of brisk or a walk with alternate running or slow running, and then I'll move to sprinting, which is also going to be alternate between sprinting and walking or running. So that's about it. But the good part is that it has started getting one notch up, shifted the gears from mere walking to brisk walking and running. So this should also show some faster results, hopefully. So that's about it. And before coming, I introduced papaya in my diet. I've been waiting to introduce it for a long time, but I couldn't. But finally I have. So it feels amazing. It was a very good juicy one. So a lot of nutrients and water in there. You can Google it. It's good for, they say, your overall immunity, digestion, even for cardiovascular health, and hair and skin, and some other benefits as well. So amazing, power pack, superfood, I would say, in my opinion. The only thing is, I ate it before coming, almost just before coming, and then I had my bowl of cereal, like how they say you should eat your fruits and have it in the morning, and then have your breakfast and blah blah blah. So I started with the toast and the papaya, half of it. It was quite a big one, maybe 1.5 kgs. So I had a whole half of it, and the remaining I'll have tomorrow. I see Imar Sheri is joined. Hello, how you doing there? So that's great, but the only thing with that is that this was, by the way, I'm almost near to completion of my, I would say, 3rd round. So when I'm doing the brisk walk now, because I've been increased the intensity to running and more rounds, so when I'm not running, I feel a little guilty of not doing much. So that's why I try to take more than 2 rounds of a single 3-kilometer round of the complete boundary, wall-to-wall circumference of this area. So that's a very big round, by the way. So I try to do more than 2, almost like a 3, when I'm doing a walk or a brisk walk, so in order to make up for the days lost. But it feels great. It's only when you start, the first few steps or the first few meters or half a round or 1 round, after that it's like automatically your gear shifts to a higher one. So That's my opinion and personal experience. So that's it. So I was telling you about papaya benefits. So of course it's a power pack superfood, I would say. The only thing is not to have it just before coming for your walk, because I had to go urinate thrice. Yeah, thrice or maybe 4 times. So that's a lot, because I don't consume that much water now compared to earlier when I just started. I see a Mr. Million 45 joined. Hello, Mr. Million, how you doing? So initially when I started, I used to consume a lot of water, but now that's reduced remarkably. I mean, that's fine if you feel like you can have, but I don't feel the need to urinate that frequently. Probably once or twice max, worst case scenario. But today was like a frequent 3 times or more, and just before coming as well. So that's a lot of water content. So basically the conclusion is that you can have banana, guava, or berries, or whatever fruits you want, like the solid ones, even apples, oranges, or whatever, depending upon the season and availability. But don't have very watery fruits or salads just before your fitness routine, like melons, whatever melons or papaya, because when you're burning out, when you're exercising, your metabolism also gets sped up, so that's going to make you wanna frequently go urinate. Now lucky there's 2 or 3 washrooms or toilets out here in this park, but still they are like on the north and south ends of the park. So in case that's not the case where you are in the park, then you might want to save yourself some hassle of that. So avoid melons or papayas before the walk. You can have it right after, once you go back. So that's a good tip. But otherwise, feeling very great and energetic. So that's all I had. A whole half big portion of a big papaya, and my cereal bowl muesli with banana, and a little bit of chocolate, and rest was 2 slices of multigrain bread, pop-up bread, crunchy, one of my favorites, with cheese now. Before this it was butter, but now it's cheese, because that's been lying around, and I also wanted to make sure that I consume it before it goes bad. So that's about it. My full whole main course meals are only like 2 if you calculate it, like a one single proper dinner and a more like a brunchish kind of a breakfast. So that's about it. Alright, so that's all for today. Time to go back. See you soon. See you tomorrow. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har Mahadev.